Nadifloxacin is a topical fluoroquinolone used in the treatment of acne and topical bacterial skin infections. In this video, let's find found. What is Nadifloxacin? What is Nadifloxacin used for? Contraindication. What are the side effects of taking Nadifloxacin? How does Nadifloxacin work? How to use Nadifloxacin? What is Nadifloxacin? Nadifloxacin is a topical fluoroquinolone antibiotic for the treatment of acne vulgaris. It is also used to treat bacterial skin infections. What is Nadifloxacin used for? Nadifloxacin has been used in trials studying the treatment of acne vulgaris. Contraindication. Before using Nadifloxacin, talk with your doctor if you are allergic to it or any other medications related to it. The medication may contain inactive ingredients which will cause serious allergic reactions to your skin. Before using the medication, talk to your doctor if you have any medical history such as a burning sensation, itching, or allergy to any appointment. Side effects. During the treatment, some patients may develop some adverse effects, predominantly of the skin and subcutaneous tissue, burning and itching. In absolute, the most common side effect: contact dermatitis, dryness, and skin irritation. Pharmacodynamic. Nadifloxacin is a synthetic quinolone with potent broad-spectrum antibacterial activity. It is bactericidal in nature. Nadifloxacin inhibits the enzyme DNA gyrase that is involved in bacterial DNA synthesis and replication, thus inhibiting bacterial multiplication. Mechanism of action. Nadifloxacin inhibits the enzyme DNA gyrase that is involved in bacterial DNA synthesis and replication, thus inhibiting the bacterial multiplication. Half-life. Not available. Dose. This medication can only be used on the upper layer of the skin, that is only on the external level. Apply the cream after washing and drying the affected area. If your hands are the affected region, wash your hands after applying. Nadibact cream/gel is used to treat acne vulgaris and other skin infections caused by bacteria. It should be applied twice daily to the lesions. It can be used after washing the face if you have acne. Safety advice. Pregnant women can use this drug by following major precautions. Before taking this drug, speak to your doctor about all of the complications and benefits. That's all the information about Nadifloxacin we collected. Thanks for listening. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for the HeInfo channel if you like this video to update more health information.